Tired of smudges, dust, and fingerprints ruining your screen time? Whether it's your phone, laptop, TV, or tablet, a great screen cleaner makes all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best screen cleaner sprays that'll leave your screens crystal clear and looking like new. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Eveo Clean Screen Cleaner Spray. The Eveo Clean Screen Cleaner offers a versatile and eco-friendly solution for keeping your tech devices spotless. Whether you're using a TV, smartphone, laptop, or tablet, this cleaner is designed to be effective across a variety of high-end devices, ensuring a pristine screen no matter your device type. Its formula is especially effective on matte screens, making it a comprehensive tool for any tech user. What sets the Eveo Clean Screen Cleaner apart is its environmentally conscious, biodegradable formula. Not only does it clean effectively, but it's also gentle enough for even the most delicate screens. This makes it a safe option for cleaning LCD and OLED displays without the worry of scratching or causing long-term damage. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its compact, innovative design. The mini screen cleaner comes with a built-in cloth, eliminating the need to carry separate cleaning tools. The roller design helps quickly remove smudges, dust, and dirt, providing an efficient cleaning experience. With its 3.9-inch size, the mini cleaner fits conveniently in your pocket or purse, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The protective plastic cover adds an extra layer of security, ensuring no leaks during travel. Whether you're at home, work, or traveling, the Eveo Clean Screen Cleaner is a reliable and portable solution for keeping your devices in top shape. Its gentle yet effective cleaning power, combined with its compact design and eco-friendly formula, makes it an essential tool for anyone who values their tech devices. Next up, at number 4, we have the TH Marine Screen Cleaner Spray. The TH Marine Screen Cleaner Spray offers an efficient solution for keeping your electronic devices clean and your screens crystal clear. This specialized cleaner is designed to tackle everyday debris, including fingerprints, dust, and water spots, ensuring a smudge-free viewing experience. Whether it's your GPS unit, sonar, computer screen, or even sunglasses, this product guarantees enhanced clarity by effectively removing common surface contaminants. What sets this cleaner apart is its safe and gentle formula. Unlike many conventional screen cleaners that contain harsh chemicals such as alcohol or ammonia, the TH Marine Screen Cleaner is alcohol-free, making it safe for use on sensitive electronics. You won't have to worry about it causing damage or discoloration to your devices. Its non-drying formula ensures that screens are cleaned without the risk of them becoming brittle or damaged over time. The non-drip formula is another standout feature. It adheres to the surface, preventing any liquid from dripping or leaking into the internal components of your electronics. This is particularly important when cleaning delicate devices like fish finders, laptops, or other devices prone to liquid damage. This cleaner's versatility makes it an excellent choice for a variety of electronic devices, ensuring it's not just for phones and laptops but also for more specialized equipment such as sonar units. The microfiber cloth included with the cleaner ensures a scratch-free cleaning process, while the convenient drawstring bag provides easy storage, making it perfect for anyone who needs to clean their devices on the go. Taking the third spot is the Monoprice Screen Cleaner Spray. The Monoprice Screen Cleaner Spray is designed to enhance the clarity, brightness, and color accuracy of your screens. Whether you're working on a high-resolution display or enjoying entertainment, this cleaner helps restore the original visual quality by effectively removing dirt, dust, and fingerprints. For those who demand sharpness and detail, especially on premium devices, the cleaner's performance is particularly noticeable. One of the standout features of the Monoprice Screen Cleaner is its compatibility with modern screens that have special coatings. Many devices today come with coatings to reduce glare or enhance touch sensitivity. Unlike some household cleaners that can damage these protective layers, the Monoprice cleaner is formulated to be safe for such screens, ensuring it won't break down these sensitive surfaces. The alcohol-free formula sets this cleaner apart from many others on the market. Alcohol can dry out or degrade screens over time, potentially compromising both the appearance and functionality of your device. The Monoprice Screen Cleaner avoids these issues, offering a gentle yet effective solution for maintaining your screen's pristine condition without risking long-term damage. Another significant benefit is its ability to leave a streak-free finish. Unlike lower-quality cleaners that may leave behind streaks or haze, this product ensures that your display remains spotless after use. Whether you're using your device for professional tasks, entertainment, or creative work, you can trust the Monoprice cleaner to maintain a flawless screen. Versatility is another key advantage, as the Monoprice cleaner is compatible with a wide range of devices. From laptops and desktop monitors to smartphones, tablets, and iOS devices, this cleaner can handle them all. For tech enthusiasts who want a reliable, gentle, and effective cleaning solution for their devices, the Monoprice Screen Cleaner Spray is an excellent choice. Coming in at number 2 is the Flawless Screen Cleaner Spray. Flawless Screen Cleaner Spray is a premium solution designed to restore the clarity and brightness of various screens, from smartphones to TVs. This cleaner works by effectively removing dirt, smudges, and oils, ensuring that your devices look as good as new. Whether you're using a laptop, tablet, or TV, Flawless enhances your viewing experience by improving color accuracy and brightness, offering vibrant and clear visuals. What sets Flawless apart is its safe, non-toxic formula. Made with natural ingredients, it eliminates the need for harsh chemicals like alcohol, ammonia, or phosphates, which can damage sensitive screens over time. This makes the cleaner a safe choice for households with children or pets, as well as for anyone looking to avoid potentially harmful substances. In addition to its safety, Flawless Screen Cleaner is eco-friendly and sustainable. The formula is free from harmful chemicals, making it gentle on the planet. The ingredients used are sustainably sourced, which adds to its appeal for environmentally conscious consumers. Flawless is not just for screens, its versatility extends to cleaning a range of surfaces. From glossy and matte displays to plastic housings, trackpads, and remote controls, it handles them all with ease. The cleaner is even safe for eyeglasses, ensuring a scratch-free, residue-free shine. With its large 16-ounce bottle, Flawless Screen Cleaner offers long-lasting value. One bottle can clean over 1,000 devices, making it a cost-effective solution for maintaining your electronics. Paired with a high-quality microfiber cloth, it delivers a streak-free finish every time, keeping your devices looking pristine. And finally, our top pick, the Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray. Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray offers an effective solution for keeping screens clean and crystal clear. Compatible with a variety of screen types, including LCD, LED, CRT, and OLED displays, it works seamlessly across different devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and large flat-screen TVs. This versatility makes it an ideal choice for those who own multiple electronic devices and want a cleaner that can handle them all. One of the key features of Eveo Screen Cleaner is its ability to effectively remove smudges, fingerprints, dust, and other debris from screens. The cleaner is designed to leave behind a streak-free shine, ensuring that your display looks pristine. Combined with the included plush microfiber cloth, it delivers polished, professional results every time. The cleaner's gentle yet powerful formula is crafted to be safe for even the most delicate screens. Unlike other cleaners that may contain harsh chemicals like alcohol or ammonia, Eveo's formula is non-abrasive and won't damage sensitive coatings. This makes it a great choice for protecting the longevity and quality of your screens while still delivering exceptional cleaning power. Eveo also includes a premium microfiber cloth with each bottle, providing a soft and durable tool to wipe away smudges and stains without leaving any residue or streaks. The cloth is designed to be gentle on surfaces, avoiding fiber shedding, which ensures a flawless cleaning experience. Using the Eveo Screen Cleaner is straightforward. Simply spray the cleaner onto the microfiber cloth and wipe the screen to achieve a spotless finish. Its ease of use makes it an excellent addition to any household, office, or travel kit, ensuring your screens stay in top condition effortlessly.